G'day, it's Cole here again from Diggerman. Today Max is going to run through a load and unload on the skid steer. On our 5-star operators level, this is 1.9.
So as we're approaching the truck, we've got to lift that bucket up a little bit so it doesn't hit the ramps. Then once you start climbing the ramps, we can bring that bucket back down again. Because it's a truck machine, it will have its hinge point again, so at that hinge point, just slowing it down and it'll roll over nice and gently for you. Bringing that bucket down and then we can secure it. Reversing, you can't see anything behind you, so you're looking in front of you, making sure that bucket's nice and square to the truck, and then bringing it back down. Nice and steady. Bring it all the way down. That bucket up so it doesn't hit the ground, and then bring it back down when we can. And when we're coming, nice and steady. Lifting that bucket up so it doesn't hit the ground. Track away nice and steady and flight.